Welcome to Zentali Meditation. Begin by taking a slow, deep breath. Inhale, filling your lungs completely. Exhale, and release any tension in your body. Breathe in. Hold for a moment. And breathe out, letting go of stress. Let your shoulders drop. Feel them relax. Relax your arms, your hands, your fingers. Feel your body sinking into the surface beneath you. Your back relaxes. Your stomach softens. Your legs become heavy. Your feet at ease. Slowly, notice your breath moving in and out. Each breath is calming your mind. Now, gently bring your attention to today's focus. We are here to manifest success for your child. Picture your child walking into their classroom. They're calm, focused, ready to learn. They sit down confidently at their desk. See them open their notebook, neatly organized. The teacher begins the lesson. Your child listens closely. Their eyes are bright. Attentive. Engaged. Imagine them raising their hand. Excited to participate. They answer questions with ease. And joy. They're focused. As if they love learning. See them smile. As they understand each concept. Now, picture your child enjoying the moment. Other kids watch in amazement at their focus. The teacher smiles, proud of their effort. Your child is present, calm, fully in control. Now, bring the image of your child at home. They sit down at the table, ready for homework. Visualize them pulling out their assignments. There's no resistance. Only focus and excitement. They approach each task with curiosity. Math becomes a game. They smile as they solve. Picture them celebrating each finished problem. Maybe they even do a little victory dance. See them asking questions with joy, not frustration. Homework flows easily. They enjoy the process. The work is done. Quicker than ever before. Now, they proudly show you their homework. They're smiling, satisfied, eager for praise. Visualize them helping to clean up, feeling accomplished. Now, move forward to report card day. The moment is filled with excitement. No stress. See them opening the envelope with confidence. Picture their eyes lighting up with joy. The grades are there. All excellent. A victory. Imagine them waving the report card like a trophy. They run to you, celebrating their success. Maybe even pretending to give a speech. Your fridge is now home to a proud achievement. Their hard work and focus have paid off. You high five. Both of you smiling wide. Success is not just a dream. It's real. They've done it. With focus. With joy. Now, Gently bring awareness back to your breath. Feel the rise and fall of your chest. Notice your body, from your feet to your head. Wiggle your toes. Feel the ground beneath you. Slowly, feel your legs, your hips, awakening. Your back straightens. Your shoulders feel light. Bring your awareness to your hands, your fingers. Let them gently move. Becoming present. Your neck, your head, relaxed and calm. As you return, remember this vision of success. Hold on to the calm, the joy, the achievement. Know that with focus, your child can thrive. Breathe deeply once more. Feeling refreshed. You are present, calm, ready for the day. Thank you for joining. Zentali Meditation. Don't forget to like and subscribe.